Greetings, everyone, and welcome to the online public involvement meeting for the reconstruction project plan for Highway 69 near Monticello in Greene County. My name is Joshua Wellnitz, and I am an engineer working for the Wisconsin Department of Transportation's Southwest region. Follow the steps shown on the screen to access the project website. On the site, you can read the overview, additional improvements, schedule, contact information, and status of this project. To begin, our staff for the design of this project consists of Kurt Johnson as project supervisor, Jim Simpson as project manager, and myself as the project leader. The project ID number for the reconstruction of Highway 69 is 1690-0403. The project location map to the right identifies 3 locations where we're proposing the Highway 69 project improvements. First, repairs are planned to the Highway 69 bridge over the west branch of Little Sugar River due to map and transverse cracking with staining. Due to the multiple crashes along Highway 69 corridor, we are proposing to reconstruct 2 Highway 69 intersections identified on the map at County C and Wittenweiler Road. The current roadway condition on Highway 69 includes posted speeds of 50 to 55 miles per hour with average daily traffic between 5,830 and 6,680 vehicles per day. The current truck percentage ranges from nearly 9% to 14%. Safety is one of the reasons to improve these intersections. There have been 23 crashes along this section of Highway 69 since 2014. The first location of focus on the Highway 69 project is the bridge over the west branch of Little Sugar River. Currently, the bridge includes 2 12-foot travel lanes with an 8-foot asphalt shoulder. As stated earlier, the bridge is beginning to deteriorate and has map and transverse cracking with staining. The abutments are spalling with some exposed rebar. Finally, the girders are showing some rust as well. The DOT is proposing to make repairs to the west branch of Little Sugar River Bridge, including replacement of the bridge deck, painting the girders, repairing the surface of the concrete, and adding concrete approach slabs. The map to the right shows an aerial view of the Highway 69 and Wittenweiler Road intersection. Currently, there is an existing T intersection with 2 12-foot travel lanes, varying asphaltic shoulder widths, a 3-foot gravel shoulder, and an existing driveway. Since the shoulder is only 3 feet in width, it is illegal and dangerous to pass a southbound vehicle turning left. For the reconstruction of the Wittenweiler intersection, the DOT is proposing a southbound left turn bypass lane. An image of what the bypass lane could look like can be seen in the image to the right. The design of the existing roadway will stay the same besides the addition of the 12-foot bypass lane. The bypass lane will help the flow of traffic on Highway 69 by eliminating the need to stop behind southbound vehicles turning left. The Highway 69 and County Seat intersection reconstruction location, seen in the aerial image to the right, has 2 existing 12-foot travel lanes with a 3-foot asphaltic shoulder and 5-foot gravel shoulder. This is a skewed intersection, which means that the roadways are not perpendicular to each other. Having a skewed intersection also means there are 32 conflict points. A conflict point is a location where vehicles' paths will cross. Skewed intersections can cause poor sight zones for motorists, which could decrease roadway safety. Presented on the slide are some safety statistics for the Highway 69 and County C intersection. This data was collected between 2016 to 2020. The intersection is the #1 ranked intersection for crash rate in Greene County. The intersection was identified on the Locations of Interest report for the Highway Safety Improvement Program, which is the top 25 intersections within the entire state, ranked by fatal and serious injury crash rate within a peer group. Based on fatal/serious injuries, the intersection crash rate is 4 times the upper control limit. Finally, the total intersection crash rate is 5.5 times the upper control limit. For the reconstruction of the Highway 69 and County C intersection, 3 alternatives will be presented. Alternative 1 is an offset T intersection with left and right turn lanes. Alternative 2 is the closure of Urban Avenue with a cul-de-sac. It also includes left and right turn lanes on Highway 69. And alternative 3 is a single lane roundabout. In the upcoming slides, more details of the intersections and the safety improvements each alternative possesses will be explained. The initial design of the offset T intersections can be seen in the image to the right. This design would realign County C to be almost perpendicular to Highway 69, which would improve the sight lines of vehicles entering 69 from County C. In addition to the realignment, left and right turn lanes would be added to Highway 69. Here is a zoomed-in image of the initial design of the offset T intersection. This design gives motorists turning onto Highway 69 improved sightlines as they are now perpendicular to the roadway instead of skewed. There are also less conflict points which should decrease the number of crashes, but it would not decrease the severity of those crashes. The initial design of the offset T intersections can be seen in the image to the right with the conflict points identified in red. Offset T intersection would improve sightlines of motorists while also reducing the number of rear-end and sideswipe crashes. There are 18 conflict points that include merging, diverging, and crossing traffic. Finally, even though this intersection is an improvement over the current intersection, there will still be delays for County C drivers, and the potential for high-speed crashes will not be eliminated. For the second alternative, County C will be realigned to be perpendicular to Highway 69, and Urban Avenue will become a cul-de-sac. Both right and left turn lanes would be added for Highway 69 traffic. Here is the initial design for the intersection with the closure of Urban Avenue with a cul-de-sac. This alternative is like Alternative 1 because of the use of an offset T intersection, but it has the benefit of decreasing the conflict points by only having a single T intersection. The posted speed limit of 50 miles per hour and the severity of crashes would remain. The image to the right identifies the conflict points for Alternative 2. The safety improvements include improved sightlines for County C, reduced rear-end crashes, and 9 conflict points. The 9 conflict points include merging, diverging, and crossing traffic. Again, this alternative is an improved intersection safety-wise, but there will be delays for County C traffic and the potential for high-speed crashes still exists. The image seen to the right on this slide is the initial design of the roundabout at the intersection of Highway 69 and County C. The roundabout would be a single lane. Roundabouts reduce vehicle speeds and act as gap reducers. Since the roundabout is a single lane, it will help to simplify the driver's decision-making process, as the roundabout only needs to be clear to the left for a vehicle to enter. The roundabout is a significant operational improvement and will reduce delay on County C. Here is a zoomed-in image of the initial design for the roundabout. The combination of speed reduction and minimized conflict points makes the roundabout the safest alternative for this project. The image seen to the right on this slide depicts the 8 conflict points that are present in a single-lane roundabout. Roundabouts are tremendous safety improvements over a regular intersection, and it is the safest of the 3 alternatives presented today. Roundabouts improve safety by reducing vehicle speed and eliminating crossing traffic. The 8 conflict points of a roundabout include only merging and diverging traffic. Due to the complexity of the Highway 69 and County C intersection and the diverse range of impacts each alternative could have on community members, we are requesting public comment about each alternative. To comment on the project, follow the steps on this slide to the project website. On the site, you can complete the PDF comment form or share input through an online survey. Both the survey and the comment form will be sent to the DOT to help determine the best alternative for the community, motorists, and the environment. Filling out the online survey should take no longer than 3 minutes. The current traffic management plan is to keep Highway 69 open to traffic throughout the construction. Since the project is still in the design phase that may or may not change depending on the constructability of the final design. For the repairs on the bridge over the West Branch of Little Sugar River, traffic signals will be used to direct traffic over the bridge. This method may cause traffic queuing on each side of the bridge. Real estate acquisition is planned for this project. Properties near the Wittenweiler Road and County C intersections will most likely be affected by the real estate acquisition. Impacted property owners will be contacted in the future once project details are finalized. Public comment will be accepted through December 13th, 2021. The final intersection type will be selected by February 2022. Property owners will be contacted between 2023 to 2025 to discuss real estate. The project is currently scheduled to be out for bid on November 11, 2025, with construction beginning in 2026. More details of the project schedule can be found on the website where this presentation is located. Thank you for watching this presentation. If you have any questions or concerns about this Highway 69 project near Monticello, please contact Project Manager Jim Simpson by mail, email, or phone. Thank you again for your time and being involved in this DOT project.